Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 9 fractions in that exercise 9a. So let's discuss homework answers first. Sixth question, convert the following mixed numbers into improper fractions in that G. 28 5 by 6. So on converting to improper fraction, you will get 173 divided by 6. H 71 1 by 8. On converting to improper fraction, you will get 569 by 8. Next 103 by 4. On converting to improper fraction, you will get 403 by 4. J 33 2 by 3. On converting to improper fraction, you will get 101 by 3. Next topic, comparison of fractions. So you know what is comparison? That is finding which fraction is greater, which fraction is smaller, which two fractions are equal. That is what you are doing in comparison of fractions. Okay, A, like denominators and unlike numerators. So like means it is same, unlike means different. So we are taking, first case we are taking the fractions with the same denominators and different numerators. That is like denominators and unlike numerators. So how to compare if we take fractions with the like denominators and unlike numerators? If two fractions have the same denominator, the fraction with a greater numerator is greater than the fraction with the smaller numerator. So we are taking two fractions with the same denominator. Okay, and if we take the fractions with same denominator, then look at their numerators. Compare their numerators. The fraction which have greater numerator will be the greater fraction, and the fraction with the lesser numerator will be the lesser fraction. Okay, so let's take one example, 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Here denominators are same, it is 5. So compare their numerators. So 3, here 3 is coming in the first fraction, and in the second fraction 2 is coming. So 3 is greater than 2. So we can say that 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Okay, this is how to compare the fractions with the like denominators and unlike numerators. Next, B, like numerators and unlike denominators. That is same numerators and different denominators. Such fractions we are taking here. So if two fractions have the same numerator but different denominators, the fraction having the smaller denominator is greater than the other. So if we take two fractions having the same numerator and different denominators, then the fraction having the smaller denominator is greater. I repeat, the fraction having the smaller denominator is greater. Okay, let's take one example in 3 by 5 and 3 by 8. In these two fractions, numerator is the same, 3, but denominator is different. In the first fraction it is 5, in the second fraction it is 8. So here you need to look which one is smaller number. Among 5 and 8, which one is smaller number, you need to check first. You know it is 5. So 3 by 5, the fraction 3 by 5 will be greater. Okay, the fraction having the smaller denominator will be greater. Okay, here 3 by 5 will be greater than 3 by 8. Let's take another example. In 11 by 15 and 11 by 13, here the numerator is the same but denominator different. Here among 15 and 13, 13 is the smaller denominator. So 11 by 13 will be greater. Okay, this is the greater fraction. The 11 by 13 is greater than 11 by 15. Okay, in case of same denominator and a different numerator, we will compare the numerators, but numerator case, which one is greater numerator, then that fraction is greater. Okay, that is direct case. But like numerator and unlike denominator, which one has smaller denominator, then that fraction will be greater fraction. Okay, this is opposite case. Okay. Ninth question, fill in the blanks using greater than or less than to make correct statements. So you need to write whether it is greater sign or less sign in the boxes. Okay. A, 5 by 14, 5 by 8. So here you can see the numerators are same in these two fractions. So how will we do the comparison? Compare the denominators. So denominator, the fraction having the smaller denominator will be greater. Okay, if the numerators are same and denominators are different, means the fraction having smaller denominator will be greater. Always remember that. Okay, so here among 14 and 8, 8 is smaller. So 5 by 8 will be greater. This is greater fraction, 5 by 8. So 5 by 14 less than. The symbol used here is less than. Less than 5 by 8. Okay. B, 11 by 16, 11 by 12. Here also numerator are same, denominators different. So we know if the fractions having numerators same and denominators different, then the smaller denominator, the fraction having the smaller denominator will be greater. Okay, so here 16 and 12. In this 12 is smaller. So 11 by 12. This will be greater fraction. Okay, 11 by 16 will be less than. Symbol used here is less than. Less than 11 by 12. This is greater fraction, 11 by 12. Okay. Next 15 by 19, 15 by 23. So here also numerator is same but denominator different. So the fraction having smaller denominator will be greater. So here 19 and 23, 19 is smaller denominator. So 15 by 19 will be greater fraction. So here symbol used, which one? This is greater, 15 by 19. So symbol used is greater than. So 15 by 19 greater than 15 by 23. Next 33 by 40, 27 by 40. Here denominators are same. Okay, so you can compare the numerators. In the numerators case, the fraction having greater numerator will be greater. Okay, so among 33 and 27, 33 is greater. So 33 by 40 is greater than 27 by 40. Numerators case, it is directly we can say greater numerator will be greater fraction. Okay, but in denominator case, it is different. It is opposite case. The smaller denominator will be greater fraction. Okay. Next 45 by 70, 45 by 85. Here numerators are same. So the denominators we need to compare. if numerators are same and denominators different, then the fraction having smaller denominator will be greater. So here among 70 and 85, 70 is smaller. So 45 by 70 will be greater than 45 by 85. Okay, smaller denominator will be greater fraction. Next, F 37 by 85, 37 by 90. So here numerators are same. You need to compare the denominators. So if the numerators are same and denominators different, then the fraction having smaller denominator will be greater. So smaller, 85 and 90, 85 is smaller. So 37 by 85 is greater than 37 by 90. Okay. Now G and H do as homework. See, unlike numerators and unlike denominators. So let's study this through problem. Okay. 10th question. Which is the greater of the two given fractions in each case? Write your answer using the sign greater than or less than. So here you are given two fractions, which one is greater or which one is lesser you need to find. A 3 by 4, 6 by 7. So here you can see that here the numerators are not same and denominators are also not same. That is unlike numerators and unlike denominators. Okay, so in this case you need to first make the denominators same. Okay, if you are given two fractions with unlike numerators and unlike denominators, make the denominators same. Okay, so 3 by 4. How can you make the denominator same? Find the LCM of the denominators. Here in the first fraction the denominator is 4. In the second fraction the denominator is 7. So find the LCM of 4 and 7. So you know how to find the LCM. You can use any method. 4 and 7. So there is no common factor to 4 and 7. So let's do the prime factorization of 4 first. So 4, it is divisible by 2. So 2. Now 7 you can't divide it by 2. So write 7 itself. Now 2 you can divide it by 2 only. So 1. Now 7 you can't divide by 2. So write 7 itself. Now 7 you can divide by 7 only. So 1. So what will be LCM of 4 and 7? 2 into 2 into 7. That is 2 into 2 4. 4 into 7 it is 28. Now make the denominator of the fraction equal to the LCM. Okay, make the denominators equal to the LCM. That is here 28. Make this 4 to 28. In place of 4 you need to write 28. Okay, so how can you make a 4 28? That is 4 into 7 it is 28. That you know. Okay, so multiply the numerator also by 7. If you are multiplying the denominator by a number, then multiply the numerator also by the same number. Okay, so here 4 when multiplied by 7 only you will get 28. So numerator also you should multiply by 7. So 3 into 7 it is 21. So equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 we got. Okay, one equivalent fraction. Now 6 by 7. 6 by 7 also make the denominator equal to the LCM. So here 7 you have to make a 7 28. So how can you make a 7 28? That is 7 into 4 it is 28. So multiply the numerator also by 4. So 6 also you should multiply by 4. So 6 into 4 it is 24. Okay, so you got two fraction 21 by 28 and 24 by 28. So among these two, which one will be greater? That you can find easily. Here the denominators are same, so you can compare the numerators. So the fraction having greater numerator will be greater. So here 24 is greater. So 21 by 28 less than 24 by 28. So 24 by 28, the fraction, it is 6 by 7. Okay, equivalent fraction of 24 by 28, it is 6 by 7. Now equivalent fraction of 21 by 28, it is 3 by 4. So which fraction among this will be greater? 3 by 4 will be less than 6 by 7. Okay, the same thing you can use. If 21 by 28 is less than 24 by 28, then 3 by 4 will be less than 6 by 7. This is how to do the comparison of fractions with unlike denominators and unlike numerators. Okay, first find the LCM of the denominators. Then make the denominators of the fraction equal to this LCM. Okay, then you will get two fractions with the same denominators and different numerators that you can compare easily. Okay, so here the sign is less than. Next be 8 by 9, 5 by 6. So here also the fraction have different numerators and different denominator. So first find the LCM of the denominators. Here it is 9 and 6. So that you can find 9, 6. 9 and 6 both are divisible by 3. So 9 divided by 3 it is 3. 6 divided by 3 it is 2. Now 3 you can divide it by 3 only. So 3 divided by 3, 1. Now 2 you can write 2 itself because 2 you can't divide it by 3. So 2 you can divide it by 2 only. So 1, 2 divided by 2, 1. So the LCM it is 3 into 3 into 2. It is 9 into 2, 18 you will get. Okay, now make the denominators of the given fractions equal to the LCM. So first 8 by 9. 9 you have to make the denominator. In place of 9, 18 should come. So 9 into 2 you will get 18. So multiply the numerator also by 2. Okay, so 8 into 2 you will get 16. So first fraction you got. Next second fraction 5 by 6. In place of 6 you should get 18. So 6 into 3 you will get 18. So multiply the numerator also by 3. So 5 into 3 you will get 15. So first fraction you got 16 by 18. Second you got 15 by 18. Now these two fractions have the same denominator and the different numerators. So now you can compare. If two fractions have the same denominator and a different numerator, then the fraction having greater numerator will be greater. So here among 16 and 15, 16 is greater. So 16 by 18 is greater than 15 by 18. So in place of 16 by 18, the fraction it is 8 by 9. Equivalent fraction it is 8 by 9. And in place of 15 by 18, the fraction it is 5 by 6. So 8 by 9 will be greater than 5 by 6. Since 16 by 18 is greater than 15 by 18. Okay. So do C, D, E as homework. So in this question 6 by 7. Here first you need to convert to improper fraction. This is mixed fraction. So convert this to improper fraction first. Then you can do the comparison. Okay. So this much for this class. Thank you.